I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I know that yesterday was a little bit cloudy in some parts during the day, so I hope it's a little bit better outside where you are. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the math calendar. I have it right here behind me. Again, I want you to go ahead and ask yourself, what day is it? Because right, Rocketeers, today is Thursday. So go ahead and say it with me. Say today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. March. What number is it? If yesterday was the 18, what's today? That's right, Rocketeers. It's March 19. And I know again because I'm going to go ahead and look for my marker. My red marker right here that says 19. And I'm going to go ahead and follow my finger all the way up there. So we can say that today is Thursday, March 19, 2020. Alright, Rocketeers, and now that we know that, we're going to go straight into our packet here. I already took mine out. I have the number of the day. It says 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to still fill all of this out. But I want to go ahead and focus right here on these days. So we're going to go ahead and write, I believe this box, the day is. So I'm going to take my marker and just go ahead and fill that out. Oh wait, not that one. Right here I have my blue marker. And this one over here smells like blueberry. This is the scented markers. So I'm going to go ahead and write Thursday, March 19, 2020 right here. Okay, and then so we're going to go ahead and go straight into this box right here. Where it says number of the day is 6. We're gonna go ahead and do this a little bit differently. If you guys can still use your hundreds chart. I posted it in the video yesterday in the comment section. The one that you guys can use. You guys can still use this, but I want to show you another way to figure these out right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a blank piece of paper right here, and then something to write on. So it says that the number of the day is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6 on my paper. And then it says in the first box below, it says 1 more. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to make an addition problem. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6 plus 1 and then equals, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and do an addition problem. I'm going to go ahead and draw some dots underneath the 6. And then I'm going to draw 1 dot right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have 1 dot right here. So I'm going to go ahead and count all of those up. For this counting strategy, I'm just going to go ahead and use touch and count. You guys can do count and cross. Just because I made my dots a little small, I'm going to do count and touch. So go ahead and count with me, Rocketeers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go ahead and write number 7 right there. So we know that 6, so 1 more than 6 is 7. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in my box right here. Right here, 7. And then we're going to move on to the next box right here, the one that says 1 less. Again, we're going to go ahead and do another problem. We're actually going to do a subtraction problem. So instead of doing 6 plus 1, we're actually going to go ahead and do 6 minus 1. So again, I already did 6 minus 1 equals. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw 6 circles here. because we're taking away, we don't need to draw any extra circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because we're going to take away 1, I'm just going to cross out the last one right here. And then I can count how many I have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm just going to count again to double check my work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. So we know that 1 less than 6 is 5. So I wrote that. Right here. So 1 less than 6 is 5. Okay, and then we also have the 2 bottom boxes below that say 2 more and 2 less. We're going to go ahead and start here, the one that says 2 more. Again, we're going to go ahead and make addition problems and subtraction problems for these 2. So my first addition problem is actually going to be 6 plus 2 because we're going to find out how much is 2 more than 6. So again, I'm going to go ahead and draw 6 dots right here and then 2 more. Okay, Rocketeers, so again, for this counting strategy, I'm going to go ahead and do count and cross. Because I have more dots. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and count with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we're going to go ahead and double check our work and we're going to count again, making the slanted line opposite. So we make an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that my answer is going to be 8. And then we're going to go ahead and do 6, 2 less than 6. So our problem is going to be, I'm going to separate it right here. Our problem is going to be 6 minus 2 right there. So again, I'm going to go ahead and draw 6 dots underneath, and then we're going to just cross out 2 because we're taking away. So I have my 6 dots right there, and then I'm going to cross out 2. So 1, 2. And then I'm going to count how many I have left right here. So count with me, Rocketeers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm going to check my work, so I'm going to cross the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that my answer is 4. So I can go ahead and fill in these boxes right here where it says 2 more. I'm going to go ahead and write 8. And then where it says 2 less, I'm going to go ahead and write number 4. Okay, Rocketeers. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of these with you guys. So this box right here where it says number and tally marks, we're going to go ahead and do that. So don't forget, you count 1, 2, 3, 4 cross. So we know that we have our 5 right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and count 1 more. So right here we have 6. And then we're going to write the number 6 right here. So what letter does S make? That's right, Rocketeers, it's the letter S. Sausage, sizzle. So I'm going to go ahead and spell it out right here. 6. S-I-X. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my addition number sentences and my subtraction number sentences. Go ahead and do that with your blank piece of paper. I'm going to go ahead and fill it in on mine, and then you guys can check. Okay, Rocketeers. So it says fill in the missing numbers. Again, we can just count on, or we can also use our number chart right here to help us with that. So we have 8, 9. I'm gonna go ahead and fill these two in, and then you guys can go ahead and check yours. And then we have our boxes right here, our counting boxes. Again, you're just going to go ahead and count and cross these two and then see what numbers you guys get to. Okay, Rocketeers, so let me see your work. I want to know what you guys got, and then you guys can see if you guys got the same numbers as me. And the last box, we're asked about the weather. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. So where I'm at right now, it's a little bit cloudy. So I'm going to just write cloudy. Right there. Awesome, Rocketeers. So that's that for calendar math. But I do have a challenge for you guys. I want to know if you guys can hop on one foot. You can choose which foot you want to start with, the left or the right. And you're going to count how many times you can hop on one foot without stopping or without falling over. Please be careful when you do this activity. It's just another fun way to help us count. You guys can count by 2s, by 5s, by 10s. I'll post the videos in the comment section. That way you guys can also practice counting along too. So just to get on for our activity for the day, we're gonna go on a number hunt. I know. You're probably wondering, what numbers am I gonna find around my house? Trust me, you will find numbers. Because at first I was wondering, where am I gonna find numbers? But I actually looked and I found tons of numbers. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is that I have a lot of card games at my house. So this one is just an Uno card. But when I looked at it, I found the number 8 right here. So again, we're also just going to make another tally chart like what we did yesterday to help us keep track of numbers. We can also just write them, spell them. Yeah, Rocketeers. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and write the number right here on my piece of paper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and write the word, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and do tallies. So this is how I'm gonna set up my paper for today. Again, I just have blank paper and something to write with. I have my number, my tally, my word, and then my tallies right there. Okay, Rocketeers. So again, the first number I have here is 8. So I'm gonna go ahead and write the number 8 right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and spell it out right there and then make my tally marks. So, E-I-G-H-T. And then my tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have that right there for my numbers. Also, Rocketeers, if you look behind me, I also have a bunch of numbers right here on the calendar math, on the calendar. So if you guys have a calendar too, you guys can just pick random numbers. I would just close my eyes like this. And let's see, what number did I land on? Oh, 27. 27 is one of our higher numbers right here. But I'm going to go ahead and write it down. You guys can do that too if you have a calendar at your house. Okay, and then I'm going to count my tally marks. It's going to take a while. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take another marker, Rocketeers, just so I can separate my numbers and it's not too crowded. So I'm gonna just take my orange marker and draw some extra lines. Just like that. That way I can see them clearer. Okay, so let's see what other numbers I found on my number hunt. Again, I have a lot of games at my house. So I have some bingo cards here. And there's tons of numbers on here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a few. So the first number I'm going to pick is number 7 right here. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 7. And then I'm going to go ahead and spell it out. Right here. And then I'm going to practice my tally marks too. 4. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and do one more together. Let's see. Let's choose another number from my bingo card right here. On my bingo card, let's go ahead and do number 16, I believe. Yeah, right here, 16. That's one of our teen numbers that we also have been working with, one of our higher numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and write 16 right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and write the word. And then count my tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right there. Okay, Rocketeers. Again, I posted the videos in the comment section about how you guys can count by 2s, 5s, 10s. I'll post all of those links. That way you guys have them to practice with. And then we also made another tally chart right here. And we did collect some data. We practiced how to make tallies, how to spell number sight words, and then we practiced our numbers too right here. So you guys did all of that all in one lesson. We also went over the days of the week, a little bit of addition and subtraction. Yeah, you guys did all of that in one video. So give yourself a pat on the back. You're doing amazing. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.